On December 11, 1980, an earthquake that later became known as the Nazarbek Earthquake hit directly outside the northwest border of the city of Tashkent. With the goal of identifying possible predictive indicators of an upcoming seismic event, EMS call data were analyzed for the period of 1 year prior to that earthquake. Statistical data from both EMS posts directly adjacent to the epicenter and more distant EMS posts were studied. As it turned out, over the 11 days before the first and most powerful jolt, the number of calls to EMS began to rise. And over the 3 days before the earthquake, calls were 3.5 times higher than the annual average. The bulk of this peak occurred in the regions located closest to the epicenter. In the more distant stations, no deviations from normal EMS call frequency were observed. Studies like this indicate a possible means of predicting earthquakes that is not limited to EMS call statistics. Practically any reliable set of statistics could be used. For example, the number of students skipping school or people late to work. The possibilities are endless. In conducting this sort of study, there's one very important aspect that is vital when it comes to understanding the predictive information obtained from various sources for various purposes. There's a belief that during the process of civilization, human beings, unlike less highly organized forms of natural life, lost the ability to perceive signals of approaching natural disasters or important public events. In fact, human beings did not lose that ability. It was simply transferred to a different level of presentiment. It was transferred to the specific level for hints at upcoming natural phenomena or events of importance to the community, emerging as people's unconscious sensations being reflected within statistical records generated from various aspects of human activity. Any well-structured database contains a unique form of informational presentiment.